In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in Adobe Express. By the end, you'll know how to bring a photo onto your canvas and apply a clean, professional-looking mask using built-in shapes, all inside Adobe Express. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in so your work saves properly and all features are available. If you see the sign-in prompt, go ahead and complete that before moving on. From the left side of the home screen, you can open an existing project under your stuff or start fresh. For this walkthrough, start a new design, so we're working on a blank canvas. Once the editor opens, you'll see a vertical toolbar on the left. Click Add Content on that left panel. This is your hub for bringing in photos, videos, text, and more. Choose Media, then select Photos. You can browse your device or use available libraries depending on what you have connected. For the demo, pick any sample photo you like. Drag it onto the canvas so it becomes an active layer. Higher resolution images usually mask more cleanly, especially if you plan to resize. Click the photo to make sure it's selected. When it's active, you'll see controls around it. Now look toward the top of the screen and click Crop. In Adobe Express, masks are applied through the crop and shape tools, so this is where the magic happens. You'll see shape options you can use for masking. Choose a sample shape, like a circle, a rounded rectangle, or any style that fits your design. Click the shape you want, and Express will immediately clip your image to that shape, creating a mask. While you're still in the crop view, you can drag the image to reposition it inside the shape or use the handles to scale it up or down. This helps you frame your subject perfectly within the mask. When you're happy with the placement, click us on an empty area of the canvas to deselect the photo and view the effect. You should now see your image neatly contained within the shape, giving it a polished, masked look. If you want to make adjustments later, just click the photo again, return to crop, and tweak the shape or reposition the image until it looks right. That's it. You opened Adobe Express, signed in, started a new design, added a photo, and applied a mask using the shape options under crop. Explore different shapes and compositions to find the look that suits your project, and use the repositioning controls to keep your subject centered and crisp.